Hi, class. This week we're going to talk about eighth notes, and they're very important in terms of both playing melodies and for strumming. An eighth note is a half a beat, and if we look here, when an eighth note is written by itself, it has a little flag, and when eighth notes are written together, which is probably uh, in most case scenarios, you're going to see them attached like this. All right, and basically, you've covered all the notes for this class, and after we do eighth notes today, you'll have covered all the rhythms. So we're basically finishing up. Now, let me show you how to do this. If you look at the bottom of this page number 67, which is not an assignment, by the way, this is just showing you the rhythm. When you played quarter notes, you would count one, two, three, four. Now, when you play eighth notes, you're going to divide the beat in half. So instead of just counting one, two, three, four, you're going to count one and two and three and four and. So quarter notes, one, two, three, four. Eighth notes, one and two and three and four and. And if you look also, we have the down pick symbol, which you've seen in the book before, and the V, which is an up pick symbol. So down pick hitting from the top of the string down, and up pick hitting from the bottom of the string up. All right. If you're playing with your fingers, uh, I usually tell people to down pick with their thumb, up pick with one of their fingers. All right. So let's move on and go number 68. This is also not really an assignment for playing, but I want to show you how the eighth notes in action. So we're in 4/4 time. I'll count through it and play so you get a sense of how the rhythm falls. All right. One, two, and three, and four, and one, and two, and three, and four, and F1, and two, and three, four, and one, and two, and three, and 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 four, and. So when you play a quarter note, it gets the entire beat, whether it be one and two and so forth. When you play eighth notes, you're going to play on both parts of the beat, one and two and so on. They're twice as fast. That's basically it. All right. Now the next song is Sea Shanty. This is number 69. This I wrote out with tablature, so it's going to be in your module. So let me play through this. Now, what you'll do for next week is either 69, 70, or 71. Pick one of them, okay, and give it your best shot. So, 69, I'll play it and count through it. All right. Three and four and one and two and 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 three and four and one, two, three, four, one, two, three, four, one, two, three, four. Okay. And next one for Ojaka. I do not have this one written in tab, but it's pretty simple if you want to try it. It has an F sharp in the key signature, but there are no F sharps in the song. So You don't have to worry about that. Starting from the beginning, we have 4 quarter notes in the first measure. Starts on open G. Let's see. I'm going to play this without calling notes or rhythms, just so you can hear it. 3, 4, and. 4, 4. Four. And that's it for that. And we have one more in this chapter, and then that's it. Snake Charmer. This is only 2 strings. It's only the 5th and 4th string. Also, if you look, the first phrase, this beginning part here where it goes A, B, C, B, A, B, C, E, B, C, A, repeats at the end. It starts right here. It's the same exact thing. A, B, C, B, A, B, C, D, B, C, A. And I wrote this one in tablature as well. Okay. So I'm going to play this and count it. And if you need to, be reminded where the notes are, just look at the tablature. So here we go. It starts on the 3rd beat. All right. A pickup note. The 3rd beat consists of it starts on the 4th beat. We have 2 8th notes on the 4th beat. So you'll count 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 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 3. And that's it. They didn't put a 4th beat in the last measure. Sometimes when you have a pickup note, especially in books like this, they try to balance things out. So if the first measure has 1 beat, which it does in this case, 2 8th notes, the last measure will have 3. And that's about it. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm going to do 2 more videos because we're learning power chords this week. And we're also going to talk about chord inversions. And that's there aren't any more new concepts or ideas or anything at this point. I mean, you've covered everything. I would say focus on getting caught up and just try to get what you can of this week's lesson in. That would be great. Thank you.